If you've accidentally deleted some precious photos from your iPhone and thought they were lost forever, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted pictures from your iPhone. So stick around and let's get those memories back. First things first, let's make sure the photos are truly gone. Sometimes the deleted photos are stored in the recently deleted album for 30 days. Here's how to check. Open the Photos app and go to Albums. Here, and scroll down until you find recently deleted. If you find your missing photos, simply select them and tap recover. If they're here, congrats, you've just recovered your photos. If not, don't worry, we've got more steps to try. Next, let's check up if you have a backup from which you can restore your photos. You can use iCloud or iTunes backups. Here's how. Open Settings, click on your name and click on iCloud. Check the date of your last backup. If it was before the photos were deleted, you can restore from this backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open iTunes. Select your iPhone and go to the Summary tab. Click Restore Backup and choose the most relevant backup. Remember, restoring from a backup will replace the current data on your iPhone with the backup data, so be sure to save any new information before you proceed. And there you have it. Using this method, you should be able to recover your precious photos. Always remember to back up your data regularly to avoid such situations in the future.